get here. And actually, Judge, I got a 2-year-old I'm running behind, but I'm approaching today, Judge, on this case. We did file. I got some emails and check stubs that we attached to the case because I'm pleading, my client has basically lost his job because you put an ankle monitor on him to where he cannot go out at night and he has to stay home for this type of offense. And it's a resisting arrest. Let me refresh your memory. I know you've had 1,000.
No, I remember.
Right. And so I didn't know all of this when a case comes in, the day before. I don't know.
Is this the one where he stomps on the person's head and the person's unconscious?
And so what I did was, I told you, I said, Judge, there's a before, in between. We don't know, but we do know, as we all know, what happens at intake. Even when I was intake, there's a reason they declined charges. I believe Madam Prosecutor got up and said it was because he was unconscious. And, you and I both know they would still accept charges, even if not for him. So I'm assuming.
I've seen crazier things. I mean, we had it the other day where a guy gets run over by a bike and they filed nothing on it.
I get it. I guess my whole thing is bond is to secure them coming to court. What we don't know, Judge, and I believe on video on Friday, what I saw was I heard a dim summary, and it's almost as though in my humble opinion, I believe the restrictions that are put on him are just too egregious. It's almost like we're convicting him of a crime. First off, that wasn't charged, and then two, that wasn't even filed.
My thing is I don't want him to go out to bars. I don't want him to go out drinking. And so that's why I don't want him out in the middle of the night. So he's not going out and doing things that he shouldn't.
You can do that in the day, Judge. I'm with you.
I get it.
No, and I said, Judge, I said, after reading this, in both seats too. And so, yeah, it does. But he's now lost his job.
It's less likely to happen in the day than in the middle of the night for the shenanigans.
Judge, but we can say he works. And literally.
I told you, if you show me that he works in the middle of the night, I told you, I'm okay with it.
Yes,
I will have a GPS monitor on him. So I know if he's deviating from where he's supposed to go.
No problem.
If he's going out somewhere else, because the only reason I will let him out is for work purposes only in the middle of the night.
What if he has to go get Pampers for his baby? What if he
can do that during the day?
I get it, Judge. I'm just saying.
At 3 a.m.
I don't disagree. I'm just saying I don't want the restrictions to be so tight to where if he stops for gas, then they're like, oh, he stopped at the gas station and he got gas.
Why can't you anticipate these things doing it during the day?
Everybody don't think the same. I'm just making sure that if you want to do the ankle monitor, that's fine. I'm just saying, Judge,